Hello, in this video we will see how to use CrystalDiskMark, which is a disk benchmark software, to find out the read and write speed for our hard disk. Now I have SSD installed on this laptop, and it was working fine, but recently I found that the laptop is performing very slow, and I suspect that it is because of the hard disk. So I'm just going to use this software to test the read and write speed. Of course, we can also use Windows Task Manager to find out a little bit of information about our disk performance, especially which processes or programs are using a lot of our space or disk resources. You can click on performance and you can check the disk performance here also. The read and write speeds are also visible live. I have two disks installed. One is a normal hard disk and one is the SSD. This is where the Windows operating system is installed. And yes, you can also go to resource monitor and view a little more details about your disk, but this might be a little complicated, so we will use this CrystalDiskMark software. This is a very simple tool. Just go to Google and type CrystalDiskMark and you will get this website. Click on it and you will come to this page where you can install or download this software and install it. This is what the standard edition looks like, and they have other editions as well. I'm just gonna go ahead with the standard edition. It looks much cleaner. So I have already downloaded this software, so I'm gonna close this window and I'll go to my downloads folder. Now I have done previous tests and the results are not very satisfactory, but I'm going to show you this once again. For example, the read speeds are okay, but then the write speeds are very disappointing. So I've done multiple tests and I'm getting very different results. So let's see how the results will be this time. And this is an image I downloaded from an Amazon website where a user had posted this benchmark result after he purchased an SSD disk. So ideally we should be performing this test without running any other programs so that it doesn't interfere with the results, but I have the screen recording running, so maybe the results will be different this time, but let's see. So I will switch off the Wi-Fi as well. Okay, so just two programs that I have stopped or exited. So let me run this program. Okay, so once you download, you will get a file like this, depending on whether you have downloaded the portable version or the installer version. So install this program, and once you install it, you will get a shortcut like this, and you can directly double click and run the application. Okay, so this is what the user interface looks like. There are a lot of settings here, but you can start with the default settings. I'm not gonna change anything here. I'm just gonna start with the default settings, and once you're done with your test, you can save the result as a text or image. Okay, so I'm just gonna click all and we'll wait for the result. I'll come back later. So finally the test results are here, and as I can see, there's a lot of variation in the read speeds, but the write speeds are almost the same as before. When I look at the write speeds, it is performing much poorer, I mean worse than even a physical hard disk, mechanical hard disk. I mean, this is an SSD, and the ideal speeds should be above 400, or as per specifications it should be above 500 MB per second, but the performance is very poor. So these are the explanation of the 4 tests. If I compare this with the results shared by one of the users online, it is so poor. It's performing much poorer than even a mechanical hard disk. So something is definitely wrong with my hard disk. So an SSD is supposed to speed up your system. I had a mechanical hard disk on this laptop, and I upgraded to this SSD, and it was working well, but recently I found that it was very slow, so I thought I'll test this out. And obviously this does not give you the reasons why your hard disk is slow, but at least it gives you an idea if there's anything wrong with your hard disk. So this is a benchmark tool that you can use to get some clues that there's something wrong with your hard disk. This is the result. Maybe I can use the same CrystalDiskInfo to find out more about the disk health and things like that, for which I can go back to the website. There's another software called CrystalDiskInfo, using which you can test the health of your laptop hard disk or computer hard disk. So as we have seen in this video, there is definitely something wrong with my hard disk. So I might be replacing the SSD with a new one. Hopefully that should resolve the issue. And if you're also facing a similar issue of a slow computer, even though you have an SSD, then you can definitely try this tool and check out the read and write speeds. You can use this tool for SSD as well as mechanical hard disk as well. So yeah, that's all I wanted to show you in this video. Thank you so much.